Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be opening up 3 more packs from the Lorcana trading card game, Rise of the Floodborn. Yeah, so that was pretty crazy last week. Got another enchanted card, but it was dented in the middle of the foil, and that came out of the pack. So I am not sure. Is it sold, or is it considered damage if I want to try to sell it? What are your thoughts? Let me know. I guess we'll get into opening these packs. Let's see what we get today. All right, gumbo pot. Here, let's separate them. The Queen, Chip the Teacup, Baloo, the Knock, Hercules, Mother Gothel, Mouse Armor, Bounce, there's Tigger and Roo. And we have our first rare is Weight Set. Okay, whoa, okay, we got a super rare, Cheshire Cat from the Shadows. This is from Alice in Wonderland. And our foil, cold foil, is Belle, Bookworm. Okay, let's sleeve that up. Okay, all right, and here we go, second pack. So yeah, if you guys have any questions regarding any of the cards I have, they're pretty much all available for sale. I have them all listed on TCG Player right now, actually. If you don't see any available, I either sold out or I'm going to be getting more. I should be getting more singles soon. Okay, let's see the next pack. Hold Still, Fairy Godmother, What Did You Call Me, Gaston, Rabbit, Hercules, Hero in Training, Queen of Hearts, Sensing Weakness, uncommon, Robin Hood, Capable Fighter, one of my favorite movies, Cheshire Cat, Always Grinning, Pete, Bad Guy. This is our first rare for the pack. Mrs. Judson, Housekeeper. And another rare. I am not sure which movie she is from. Do you guys know? Let me know. And our holo foil is Benja. It's from Raya, I think. Okay, and here is our last pack for today. And let's start off with James, Role Model, The Queen, Croquet Mallet, Peter Pan's Dagger, Flynn Rider, Donald Duck, Caterpillar, Last Stand, Binding Contract, and our rare, Pinocchio Star Attraction. And this is our super rare, Cogsworth, Grandfather Clock. And our cold foil, Sardine Can. I am not sure where this one is from. Okay, Orville. I don't know who or where this is from. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, these are our 3 cold foils from these packs today. Belle, Sardine Can, and Benja. So if you guys are interested in picking any of these up, they're all listed in my TCG Player account. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave it in the comments below, or you can message me directly. All my socials are in the description. Facebook, Etsy, eBay, TCG Player. So yeah, that's it for this week. I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.